You know the price list. Now you watch the meter. First, seeing where money went. Then forecasting and alerting. Then organizing accounts so the numbers name a team. Cost Explorer answers one question. Where did the money actually go? It charts your past spend, broken down by service or account. It also projects that trend forward. You cannot control what you cannot see. These two get confused constantly, and the exam knows it. Cost Explorer looks backwards. It explains a bill that already arrived so you can find the service that quietly tripled. AWS Budgets looks forwards. You set a limit on cost or usage, and it alerts you when you cross it, or even when you are merely forecast to cross it. That distinction is the whole answer. If the question says explain, analyze, or break down, it wants Cost Explorer. If it says alert, notify, or warn me before, it wants budgets. And a budget is a smoke alarm, not a lock. It tells you something is burning, it does not put the fire out. In practice, you want both running from day one. A budget catches the runaway before it becomes a bill, and Cost Explorer is where you go to find out which service caused it. Two more tools sit either side of the bill. The pricing calculator estimates a design before you build it. The cost and usage report delivers the deepest line item detail afterwards. Cost allocation tags make a bill answer who. You tag each resource with a team or a project. You activate those tags in billing. Then your costs split by tag. Without tags, a bill lists services, never owners. AWS Organizations groups accounts. Many accounts join one organization. A management account sits at the top, and every account bills to one place. Most companies run several accounts, not one. So why bother grouping accounts at all? Run them separately, and every account gets its own bill, its own payment, and its own view of usage. Nothing is shared, and nobody sees the whole picture. Consolidate them under an organization, and you get one bill for everything, while each account keeps its own costs visible inside it. There is a money reason too. Because usage is added together, the whole organization reaches volume discount tiers sooner, and commitments bought in one account can cover usage in another. Same infrastructure, lower bill, and one place to look. This is also why companies use many accounts on purpose, one per team or per environment. Each team gets a clean boundary, and finance still gets a single number at the end of the month. It is the rare arrangement where the tidy option is also the cheaper one. One more name to recognize. Billing Conductor lets a business rebill its own customers using its own rates. It matters if you resell AWS. Most accounts never touch it. On the exam, match the ask. Warn me before I overspend? Budgets. Explain last month's bill. Cost Explorer. Estimate a design first. Pricing calculator. One bill for many accounts. Organizations. Let's lock it in. Cost Explorer explains the past. Budgets warn about the future. The calculator estimates before you build. The usage report details it after. Tags make a bill name a team. And Organizations puts many accounts on one consolidated bill. Next episode, what to do when you need help. Support and getting help. The support plans from basic all the way to enterprise. Trusted advisor, which checks your account for problems. And the health dashboard, which tells you when AWS itself is having a bad day. Thanks for watching, and see you there.